Okay, we are here back in Douglas County for the big reveal, and I am over the moon to share this with you. It turned out so lovely. Here we go. Look how stunning. This is they did a vertical stack on the back tile and then a penny tile on, well, not penny tile, it's a hexagon tile on the main shower floor with LVP on the floor, the main floor here. Then they added this cabinet with mirrors and lighting. It turned out just gorgeous. But if you remember, this was the one we did a complete redo. So they added this toilet room back here. And then they also added this closet back here. But it turned out so nice.